Welcome to my podcast, Tricks of the Trademark. This is Eric Pelton with another podcast episode in which I share advice and experience based on my 20 years of working with clients around the world to protect and strengthen their brands. I wish that we didn't have to record episodes about trademark scams every few months or sometimes even more frequently, but already this year, just a few weeks in, I've received so many calls and emails and comments from clients and others about scams that they're receiving. And particularly alarming because there are some new scams circulating. I'm going to get to that in a moment, but recently it was nice that an article from World Trademark Review talking about scams quoted me and referred to me as trademark scam expert Eric Pelton, but I really don't want to be an expert on trademark scams. I really think it's just that I am sounding the alarm about this louder than anybody else. I am by no means an expert. They are very complicated and confusing, and it's hard to get a lot of details from the government and what they're doing to combat them. And of course, it's hard to get a lot of information from the scammers because they are hiding behind facades. This new scam that has come to light recently involves phone calls using spoofed telephone numbers that appear to come from U.S. Patent and Trademark Office examiners. And the phone calls to trademark applicants are talking about their trademark applications and then sometimes asking for payment or personal identification information, allegedly for processing their application, fees related to their application. A trademark examiner is never going to take payment over the phone. It's not something that they even have the mechanics to do. A trademark examiner is not going to call an applicant if they're represented by counsel. There's a lot of red flags related to this, but obviously these scams work or they wouldn't be out there continuing to exist. The nature of these scams is just one more among many reasons that it benefits trademark applicants to work with an attorney to provide a layer of literal protection from these types of calls. It's another reason to never put your phone number as an applicant in the public record from the USPTO. Unfortunately, when you leave out a phone number, the USPTO forms will often issue a warning on the form asking you if you really meant to leave off your phone number. I wish they wouldn't do that, but when we file applications, we generally leave applicants' phone numbers out there, out of the application. Our phone number may be there. That's fine. We know about the scams. We're on alert all the time and ready to deal with them. So beware of these scams. If you have any questions, contact your attorney. Check isthisatrademarkscam.com. Contact the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. If you've received or been duped by a scam, please notify the USPTO, notify the FTC so that they are more aware of just how damaging and prevalent these scams are. Hopefully that will lead them to do more, spend more energy, spend more dollars, and do it more quickly to help try to crack down on these scammers. You've been listening to Tricks of the Trademark with me, Eric Pelton. I've been making trademarks bloom since 1999. For more information about my trademark services, visit my website at ericpelton.com. Thanks for listening.